Alright boys, we're jumping straight into it today. The Zuma just got done with all the plastic weld drying up. I got some spray paint to spray paint these grab bars and the rack on the Zuma piece, so I'm about to get to sanding on that. I'm gonna go ahead and sand down the grab bars for the GP1 and paint those with this pretty little red I got here. Hopefully it matches good enough. I think it will. Kind of was hoping for more like a glittery red, gloss cherry red. I guess we'll see how that looks. Alright, so this is how we're looking with the plastic weld. Super gooed up, but it's looking good because this area before, was cracked all the way down and it would just lift up. Now it's really on there. And same with this area, this huge crack. Look at that. So, I don't know how I feel about this red yet. This is the only reason I'm gonna put the rack on. It's because this big ass hole right here where the plastic is still missing. So the rest of the plastic broke off perfectly for the tail light, but yeah, that big hole. So I'm hoping that painting this rack white and putting this rack back on will kind of hide that hole a tiny bit. And I kind of think I like the rack. I really can't tell. Let's see if this baby will start right up though. Oh, you know it. First kick, baby. Cold start. She got boggy though. Can't tell if she likes me yet. It's sloppy on this thing. That's not even fun. Oh, she's fogging it. We gotta hit some elite wheelies out here, boys. Yes, sir. Cut it off, all the pieces for the taillight. Gonna go ahead and sand it a little bit more. Paint it. I just sanded it a tiny bit, but barely roughly because I don't have a good sheet of paper. But about to grab some, sand this, and paint it before it gets too late. All right, so paint on the grab bars came out absolutely perfect. Wet paint right there. Super wet paint, looks super good. I'm just not sure how I feel about it actually. Seeing them on the bike, I can't tell. I think it kind of looks a little bit almost too cheesy with the color red that they are. So I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I think maybe once I get rid of this blue and that purple, might look a little bit better, but just not sure how I feel about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you think I should leave these red or paint them black. Alright, Zuma sucks. Thing just started pouring fuel out the bottom of the float. I don't know why it's getting too much fuel. the float's probably stuck right now in it. So I do not know, but this carb sucks. So let me know down below your guys' Zuma suggestion setup, because I plan on going 70 kit with this thing really soon, and pipe too, because I still have the stock pipe on this thing. So this thing's to come, but at least we got a little bit of riding in on it. I don't think I'm feeling these red bars on this thing. I pulled it out just to look at it a little bit more. I think I'm gonna paint them black. Alright, last time we tried to go riding, I went to take out the MB5 and the headlight pop, so pretty sure it was the headlight. Either that or somewhere in the wiring got disconnected. But 99% sure it was the headlight. Alright, MB5 headlight for sure blew. I was able to finally have my phone light up to this and like look really closely, and I could see in there that it blew. Alright boys, I've been wanting to show you guys this one for a while now. I've had these wheels right here for about 2 or 3 months now, and I'm stoked, bro. These are for the purple bike. It's time to start the build on the purple bike. That's right, I've been talking about building this thing up for a while. Like I said, eventually the stroker motor is going to go in this bike. I plan on kind of lowering it and making this bike just super clean, since it's so cherry now, and making the white Elite chassis my stunt bike. So it's time to retire the wheelies on this purple bike. She's too meant to be wheeling like that sometimes. So got some chrome Johnnies. Man, these are gonna look good on there. This is a rear wheel. Just imagine this bad boy up in there with all that chrome that's already out there. Oh god, imagine that with all the chrome on the purple. Yeah, I'm stoked. We got the front piece right here. I don't even know what disc brake this is. It's a it doesn't say on it. Doesn't say, but another chrome Johnny right there. These are centerline wheels, 10-inch wheels. They look pretty wide. I don't know how wide they are. Shout out my boy Stefan from Hawaii for hooking up with those wheels. He had those and I wanted them for a long time, and he's willing to sell them to me. So shout out Stefan. Gonna have some center lines on here. I think it's gonna look pretty good. I like the look of solid wheels. Plus I like the pieced wheels, how they're like 2-piece with the hubs. Reminds me of like 3-piece chrome Johnnies on cars. So also boys, Polini 72 Corsa kit right here for the purple bike. These are sick. I'm stoked, got the Corsa. It's the bore I wanted for this bike, and this is where it begins, boys. I just need to get a manifold carb set up, and then it's time to throw the 70K on the bike. We're finally up in the purple bike so I can hang with the boys a little bit better. The stock 50 is by far my most favorite bike I have though, because I love how quiet the 50 is. I can just wheelie it up and down my street all day. The 70 kit is going to be a lot louder. I'm debating on whether I might keep a stock airbox set up just to quiet it down a little bit. But if you haven't seen yet, I love how these bore kits are like made for these bikes. They're like little like toy kit, it looks like how they're packaged. You get like a little sleeve. Comes with everything you need right there. Spark plug, head, we got the bore, we got the piston rings, got the bore, piston's already in there. Could definitely do a little bit of porting right here on the exhaust, and probably a little bit on the exhaust in there too, and maybe get rid of this little lip right here as well. But other than that, Corsa factory ported kit, and it's gonna make that purple bike haul ass, that's for sure. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. It is way too hot in here, but like I said, I'm going to Portland this weekend for the Bridge City Bash, so I hope to see some of you mop boys out there. Hopefully next time, I gotta pull out this carb and look at the carb situation. I just gotta get ready because I leave tomorrow for that. So we got a lot of things going, but I hope you guys like the wheelies. Got to mess around a little bit on the Zuma, a little bit more next time, and I hope you guys are stoked for the purple bike build, because I know I am. The wheels are gonna look good, and it's finally time to get some power into the purple bike. Once the 72 is running good, like I said, I'm swapping frames. So that's gonna do it for this one, boys. I'll see you guys on the next one.